All right, so in the practice test, one of the problems has you specifically working with isomers here. So you can draw at least 2 different versions of this, and that's what the space is in here for you to draw them. And then you're gonna pick one of your 2, redraw like a final version of it, and label everything that you can on there as far as the AXEs, the shapes, and the angles. You don't have to do polarity or hybridization for that, all right? The reason I'm having you draw 2 of them and then draw 1 over here is if there's a shape that doesn't have, if there's a molecule that doesn't have a shape that we went over in class, you don't want to use that one over here. You want to use the one where we can actually like label all the central atoms, all right? Okay, so let's do this one first. Who has one that wants to talk about it? Yeah, how's it bonded?
2 carbons.
Okay.
A nitrogen that is triple bonded. And
Okay.
hydrogen, all hydrogens on one side.
And then all the hydrogens are over here?
Yeah.
Okay, does that work? What do we think? Yeah, right? If we want to check it, we have 2, 4, 6, 8 bonds around this carbon, 2, 4, 6, 8 bonds around this carbon, 2, 4, 6, 8 total things or electrons around that nitrogen. So that's good. All right, what's another isomer? What could another one be? Tiffany, what'd you get? Do you have an isomer?
2 carbons, triple
Okay.
bonded, a hydrogen or a nitrogen on the right, and then hydrogen's going on the left.
Okay. Like this one? Okay. Good. Does that work? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 around here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 3. Yep, that looks pretty good. Does anybody have another one? Yeah, Brandon.
2 carbons with a double bond. Then with the double bond with the nitrogen.
Mm-hmm.
Then 1 hydrogen off of that. And the hydrogen's going off the other carbon.
Cool. Good. Anybody have any others? No? Okay, those 3 are good, great examples. Out of these 3, which one would you not want to use over here for your last one?
The last one.
Yeah, the last one we did. This one, because this shape right here, we didn't go over this year, even though it's a bent shape. We didn't go over it, so we're not going to use that one. So when you're doing this, make sure that you have something that you can talk about. Like this has a tetrahedral, this one's linear, this is linear, and then this is trigonal pyramidal. So like use either of those over there. So I'm going to use the first one. So if I draw it again, we'll have C, C, N, and then the H's around it. All right, and then I'll do what we did before. We'll have AX4 tetrahedral. All right, and then 109.5. And then for the other central atom, we'll have AX2, that's triatomic linear. And then 180 degrees. Okay. All right, any questions with that kind of problem? Yes, go ahead.
So is it okay if you draw like the angles wrong in the first 2 boxes
Yep.
as long as it does last one right?
Exactly, yeah, you could draw these incorrectly for the angles, and then as long as you fix it over there, it's good.